asparagus, some basil, fresh basil, tomatoes, sliced onions, tofu, and I'm going to add some broccoli as well. So come along with me and make this delicious recipe with me. Okay, let's go. Tomatoes, my tofu. I want it cooked a little bit before I add my vegetables. And I'm going to add all my spices, my herb and spices. So I'm adding crushed pepper, oregano, Italian seasoning, and some garlic salt. Got my frozen broccoli. I have some asparagus and my basil. So now I'm going to leave it to steam for 2 to 3 minutes. Our recipe, tofu recipe, is ready, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like it, and I hope you're going to try it out. If you're going to try it out, leave it in the comment section below and let me know. I actually have like 3 to 4 different kind of veggies in it. I have asparagus, broccoli, basil, some tomatoes. Yes, so yeah, it looks so good, and look at it. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Love you guys. Stay safe.